This is Cody's first time at the beach. We're gonna see his face. Hi, Cody. And look, there's Summer and Rose. The first time at the beach. Well, not for Rose and Summer. Hey, Summer. Let's see.
Where do I press?
You just do it like a picture, except it's videotaping.
Oh, it's videotaping?
Yeah.
Can you add it?
Yeah.
Go with Mommy!
Summer, come here.
Mommy! Yeah! Look at this family on the beach!
Hi, everybody.
Look at this family on the beach!
Summer's first beach of the season. Wave to the camera, Summer.
Can you feel it?
Yes.
Can you feel it?
Feel good?
Yes.
Feel good?
Yeah, he likes it already.
I love it! I love this breeze!
Yay.
Feels so good.
Yay, how is that?
Right to the water.
He doesn't even have his bathing suit on. That's the only clothes I have. Wait.
Here, just take the shorts
Watch.
off. No bathing suit.
This water
Well, he
is
needs a swim diaper.
Yeah.
Don't.
Right to the water.
Let's get a swim
Unbelievable.
diaper.
This kid, we're convinced, in a past life came from a planet that was very aqueous.
You and your theories.
We were told that.
Woo!
We were told that he was the
I
first
feel
to
like
this planet.
I feel like Cody.
Cody!
Hi.
Hi, go.
Cody. You're okay.
Okay.
All set, thank you.
Thank you.